Wagwan my peeps, welcome back to my channel, The Lone Soldier. I'm Ricardo. Yeah man, and today we're going to continue from the previous video. As we did all talk about the little youth who beat up the little girl, and just give a little pointer from, a little look from my point of view, how me view the situation, and big up yourself again, and I wish you all the best for the coming strong days. Yeah man, but so all of the video them where I come now are gonna be a part of the Jamaica is not a real play series, so up until we reach video 30, the official video 30, because my post an inch of video, it kinda count accurate, but when we reach video 30 we start on a new topic. So for now until then, the Jamaica is not a real play series we have a focus on. Alright, and with that said, our positive line or quote today is knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. I'm going to repeat that again. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. And I couldn't have said that any better, because that's one of the key things in our life. When you understand and know yourself, you approach situation better. You understand when you know your role where you play, you approach situations better. You understand? Alright, and now, people, when time I tell you say the artists them and the people them in a major positions now play a proper role, what you see happening in the video with the little boy beat up the little girl as a clear indication of what me I try to show you, because everybody preach negative. You understand? Every artist will come a gang a man there behind them and bad man this, bad man that. You understand? And them thing they are with the youth them take on to. Them thing they more appealing. You understand? When if you send a youth go to school and him to learn something, it hard. But when them hear just 2 or 3 seconds of them song, them can sing out everything. What you think I cause that? You understand? And these are the negativity where them keep preaching on a daily basis to the youth. Because the video disturbing. Youth come in, you have one man with a video man. You understand? You have, I have another man beat up a girl in front of a crowd of man. Everybody a cheer and everybody a get a kick, and if that don't frightening to you, it is to me, because me have data. You understand? And them youth are the future. This is what Jamaica is producing on a regular basis. Man a thump woman like it's a punching bag and people have fun with it. You understand? And man a video it like a something good and a cheer and a make a bag of nice. You see me? And the imagery of the youth in the picture, the clear image of what me I show you before. So these people are at up a style of them half man, half girl, cause the youth bleach out. You understand? Bleach out and look way above him age. You see me? And him lip them black, so a whole heap of grabber that. You see me? Whole heap of grabber in a film weed. You see me? So there is not much you can tell a youth like that, because when you take on drugs and certain things from an early age, it mess up your functions. You understand? So certain developments where your brain for do, it don't do. You see me? I only wish me didn't know certain things from earlier, but you don't know. Me did finish school before me even try them something there anyway. So, you understand? But most of them youth are from 14, 13, they must smoke up this whole heap of grab a split. And them think they just make them ignorant to information. You see me? Because nobody in the room couldn't talk to him, nobody couldn't maintain him. And these are the ignorant youths of the future. These are the youths that you see at the stoplights. Them are the youth them you see walk up and down on the road and beg. You see me? And when time people they on, Jamaica is heading down a serious path of destruction. And if people don't start to see and recognize, it's all too late. We are going to head to doom. And what we are going to do them time? Because that is a very gloomy sight. A man a thump up a girl like that. You understand? And what with them money and woman and girl strength alone them have? Because I know him now move to a firm brother like that. I know him want to move to a man like that. But to a girl and she's defenseless. You understand? Women are feeble to man. I don't really see the fun in that. I can't understand that. You see me? What kind of joy you get in a beating up woman? You see me? That can't right, man. You see me? And people need to start make some voice about the messages. Because I see broadcast commission, I don't even know where them do people, because the music, the influence and everything where I come out towards the public is very damaging. And yet, we don't see nothing from them. This is what the culture is promoting. Gangsterism. Me hear a song where there one girl say, in the song say, only bad man alone makes you drop panty. And when a girl there with bad man and him dead, and nobody not dead if a guy that the him group can become a problem. These are the trends we keep happening over and over and over in our life. And now it is worse. Because when a youth born and there's a bad man and father, I'm not going to teach him nothing. Where am I going to teach him? Tell me. Comment section did it. Tell me. What are you going to learn? More than is another youth I head towards destruction. So come on, Jamaica, if we don't wake up and start to see these things for what they really is and kind of avoid them out of youth them life. Because enough people don't look for certain things, you know. It's a reason why uptown you don't see a bar and an ends by every corner, you know. It is a reason, you know, it never just happen like that, you know. It was a reason. Because, you know, up there, so, you know, you don't have no music, you don't have no hangout, you don't know if you go stop. If you walk on the road up at them place, that's what I tell you before. Police, King Alarm, and all kind of security places come stop you and ask you where you go. You know, belong up here, so by yourself. You understand? But down here, so every ends you have a different set of man crowd up, you have a different sound a play, you have dance a keep every night, weed a smoke, this and that is a real. Because when you in your house and the dance they right there, so it's hard to keep your youth away from it. Up there, so the way the place set up, them people, them live beside people and them not see them for years because them not even come out of them yard, and only when them come out in a vehicle and a drive out and them something. It was set so by design to keep you down, to keep you trapped. Free light, the free water and them kind of thing there. Them set it up that way. They think them not gonna do better with it, but them know once it stays so you nah go on left the area. It's a prison for your mind. It's a mental prison. Have you living on this free mentality? You get what I say? And then now, them control you with all of them different kind of people. You come and I tell you this and I tell you to do that and I dance to this and you them not teach the youth them nothing good, cause this is what the culture stand for. Every man a bad man, every man a gangster. No man can't take no talk, no man not take no talk. And when you get results like these, people are complaining. I think on the need to start look inside before you start point outside. Because I will say in the front part or in the first part of the video with the positive line, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Understand yourself. You can't, we as youths and the youths them may appeal to, you can't deal with girl pretty son, you can't approach the things, so brother. Certain things are better you walk away and like nobody did see you, brother. And nobody did dead when anything happen. Walk away from that, man. You see me? Suppose something happen to the girl now, you have to go find money and then one bag of thing when it never needed in the first place. And I went and it happened and everything boil up, you have to depend if me didn't know. You understand that is a very, very big line where get out enough people. If me didn't know. If me didn't know, I wouldn't do this. If me didn't know, I wouldn't do that. Prevention better than cure. See the situation before you approach it. Come on, man. Nothing where you see it happen, people. It don't happen by coincidence. It happen by design. It happen because it's supposed to happen that way. Because they set it that way. How much little girl or how much little girl you see have pitney before time. You understand? How much youth you see grow up, born come see one war a fight. Go in at the war and dead left the war and at the war they still did it. A fight same way. Them don't know nothing about it, come join it and dead left it. Enough of them not even know themselves or understand themselves before them get thrown in a certain things and get misled and led astray. You think them don't know the results of the stuff them what them a do? That's why I try to show you say it is set up. They are owned and controlled and you have to start free your mind. Free your mind from the prison and what them a try to build it around. We are the ones in power. We are the ones that we have to try to show our kids them a different way. And you have to make a sacrifice. Is either a better world for your youth or as you can see where them are going to go up in. Because them youth, the last, them now no direction. Me know none of them probably not him have a father I go home to where I go get mad pan them for them do or anything. And them I have fun to do it. That is the part that hurt me. Me have daughter I will turn in my grave first. I understand when my daughter turn 18, me have one of them overprotective father. Them have a shotgun or something. Yeah man. I saw me a pray because me not depend that brother. Me not depend that. Me love my daughter too much. You understand? I know you have some genuine parents. I know you have people out there who really love them youth and want the best for them youth. So it's up to you to take it up in your hand and try to direct them and show them the right. You understand? Try to show them say hey, this bleaching thing no work out. Because the only way me see man without me would want bleach is unless me don't know myself. Me, I am comfortable with myself. You know? Find out the roots and the meaning of tattoo first before you put on one. You understand? Don't. It's like you know people don't even realize how messed up this place is. The time we are living in now, remember, one time when you born them would have come see man and woman. Now when them come see a whole heap of different stuff. One time you see you go through certain age and then come out certain way, you have to give thanks now to the amount of thing out there. And the predators is not just for girls. Them are man, them are predators for man too. And you pity them and missing and a go away, and you understand it is very perilous, and it's like there's nowhere to turn, and it's like there's no solution because what the system now preach that. I only hope you enjoy this video and thank you for joining me again. You understand? Big up yourself, and if you're new here, don't know, remember to subscribe, like, comment, share. This has been the Lone Soldier. I'm Ricardo.